Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeffree Star. No, I'm not. Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Do I have an intro yet? No. Will I ever have one? Who knows? Welcome to my new setup. It actually looks like vaguely nice. I've got like a painting, a tiny tree, some brushes in fancy glass things, like, looks nice. And then like makeup over here. If you want a tour of my makeup collection at some point, whether here or on Instagram, thumbs up this video. Okay, it is spooky season. This is like my favorite time of year. Halloween makeup and like gore and stuff like that is kind of the reason that I got into makeup in the first place. Like, this is the stuff that like got me interested in doing makeup. So instead of doing something like crazy and complicated that people will watch and be like, I'll never be able to do that, I'm not even gonna bother, I thought it would be cool to do a few really simple Halloween makeup looks. And then to add a bit of a fun challenge element to it, we're going to try and do those same looks again in only 1 minute. And try for it to not be a disaster. But it probably will be, because 1 minute to do makeup is a little tough. So yeah, I'm not going to spend forever doing an intro. We're going to get into it. And I'm a little bit cold, but it doesn't feel appropriate to put on like a sweatshirt. So yes, this feels right. What do I do with my hair in this? My hair is too long. Can I like put it in the hood? Ah, yes. This is like my natural state. All right. Let's get started. Okay, I can't do the video like this. This is gonna cover my face. I'm a babushka. Our first look we're gonna do is a really simple skeleton kind of skull look. All right, I'm gonna try and get this done in about 15 minutes, but I am gonna kind of explain it to you guys along the way, so it won't be exact. But yeah, let's get started. So instead of actually painting my face white and then adding black details, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my foundation shade that matches me and take out a few pumps onto my glass palette. And then I'm going to take some Pro Mixing Pigment. This is from LA Girl. I'm going to add a little bit of white and just a tiny bit of blue just to get rid of any rosiness in the complexion and just make my skin look dead. That was just kind of our initial lay down. I'm going to go in with a Juno and Co sponge and smooth everything out. Look at the line on my forehead between the color of this foundation and my skin. Ah! I'm like already pale as hell, so it's kind of impressive. We've got our initial lay down. We're nice and deathly pale. If you have deeper skin, instead of just making yourself like white pale, I was just doing something like putting some blue in your foundation and just take the warmth out of your skin. That's really what we're focusing on doing, just to make your skin look dead, not necessarily like ghost white. Now I'm going to take my James Charles palette and I'm just going to go into the black shade in here. I'm going to take a small brush, go into that black shade and just start outlining some skeleton eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and really define the edges and right around my eye. The eyes are done. It's a lot, I know. Where did my eyeliner go? This is the Lollipop liner from Bakerie. And we're just gonna draw in some nose lines. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're gonna take some black lipstick. This is also Beauty Bakerie. I feel like I'm using a lot of Beauty Bakerie and it feels like this is like an ad, but it's not. I just genuinely really like Beauty Bakerie products. Yes. I haven't decided if I want to do like or if I want to do full lipstick. So we're gonna do lines first and then I'll decide what I want to do. Eek. I want that on my teeth. I had to go to the dentist later. Should I go like this? I think I should. I think I want to do a really slight fade with the lipstick in the center here. It's totally fine if it's messy, just want a slight little ombre effect. And there's lipstick all over my fingers. I'm just gonna add a couple of little details now just to sort of flesh it out. Last step, I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara just to sort of blend my eyes in more to the darkness. And now we're done. If it was Halloween night, I would be ready to be like out the door. I don't have anywhere to go, but I could totally be out the door. So this is our super quick, simple tutorial. Just foundation, black eyeshadow, and eyeliner, and optional black lipstick. You could use the eyeliner for this part instead if you wanted. Alright, mandatory narcissistic. I'm gonna be like simply illogical and do a mandatory narcissistic montage, but creepy. I'm gonna wash this whole thing off and then we're gonna do this again in 1 minute. Somehow. I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. It's like really in my eyebrows. I look great. Okay, all removed. That was a process. So now, why did I think this is a good idea? Now, I'm going to start a timer for 1 minute. I don't know if you can see that, but 1 minute. Get everything ready beforehand. I think I'm going to just use the eyeliner and that's it. This is such a bad idea. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How do I do this? Oh. Ah. How much time do I have? 33 seconds. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. It isn't that. Okay, okay. Getting somewhere. You can do this. I believe. I believe in 10 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. considered, I think this isn't like that bad. It's not great, certainly, but for 1 minute, I'll take it. Like, if you really had absolutely no time, you could do this, right? Like, except for the eyes, which are a little, ooh. My point is, she'll do. She's not awesome, but she'll do. Hi, Dawn. Hey, sis. Want to give me an opinion on my makeup?
Oy, oy.
Come here. Does it look like I did it in 1 minute?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for your honesty. But I mean, it's not like that bad.
It's not that bad.
1 minute.
It's not that bad, but you could have filled in around your eyes
Well,
better.
I tried. What do you think, Dawn? What do you think, baby? She just looked a little freaked out. It's fine. It's just me. Anyway, see if this will come off with just this. Oh, my poor skin. Okay, I will see you guys in probably like a day for me, but like 2 seconds for you. Bye. So it's been more than a day. What's up? Hi. This is me editing right now. Sorry the quality is awful. I'm filming this on my laptop. Sorry about that. Basically, it's been a little bit since I filmed the main portion of this video, and between then and now, I actually got a second job. So I have had very, very little extra time, and I have not had time to film more, and certainly not enough time to film and edit more, so I'm just leaving this video kind of as it is. My original plan was to do maybe 3 looks, and obviously I only ended up doing 1, but I'm actually pretty happy with how the video turned out, so I'm not like mad about leaving it the way that it is. I'm just annoyed that I didn't film a proper outro back when I filmed most of the video. So that's what this is, even though I look really bad. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. I also have tons of other videos, not tons, but like I have other videos planned out that I want to film, and I hope that I will actually have time to film and edit. I spent a lot of time editing this video in particular because I wanted it to, first of all, be shorter than some of my other ones, but also just be a bit more fun. So I had a lot of fun editing this video, but it did take longer for sure. So kind of expect that in future videos. Yes, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you get notified when my new videos go up. Leave a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. Share on other social medias, especially on Instagram. I always, post about videos before I put them up, so you guys will get a little extra advance notice. And yeah, if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave those down in the comments below. Also, let me know, what are you being for Halloween this year? I want to know. It's one of my favorite holidays ever. So, okay, I will spare you from looking at this for any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Are you subscribed? If you're not, I'm gonna come get you in your sleep.